Join us for a Sculptra day. We have a training how to make the Sculptra and how to use it. So to begin with, these are what you need to make your Sculptra from the scratch. My training is based on Galderma FDA approved way to make your Sculptra. So based on their education, we need a sterile water and we need 2% lidocaine to make our mixture. And of course, the Sculptra comes as a powder. You will need 5 ml syringes and 16 or 18 gauge needles. To start, we're going to have 5 ml of sterile water. Added it to the Sculptra vial, and the mixing part is the most important part to make your Sculptra with less risk of nodule happen after the injection. When you make sure that all the powder has mixed evenly, you take another 3 ml of your sterile water and add it again to your Sculptra vial. Mix well. The last is going to be 2% lidocaine that you need 1 ml to be added to your current solution. Your Sculptra is now ready to be injected to the face. And for injection, we need 25 gauge needle and 3 ml syringes. Stay tuned for the next part.